Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing Nibiru Metal Marble Ink Polish for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. This product comes from Nibiru official shop on AliExpress. So they sent me different colors and sizes of rhinestones and metal marble ink nail polish. So this one is a gold color, and next is a pink color, next is the green color, and now I'm gonna make a nail art using Nibiru Metal Marble Ink Nail Polish. So as you see, I have a white base color on my nails. You can use it as it is, guys, but I just decided to use a white base color. So first, make sure to shake the bottle before using it. So first, I'm gonna apply the shade 002, which is the pink color. Next is the gold color, shade 003. So as you see, guys, it's already dried and you can see the metallic marble effect on the nails. And next is I'm gonna try the shade 009, and it is the green color. You can actually make a different nail arts out of it. You can make just one color nail art, or you can make it different colors nail art. And one thing about it is very easy to use, it is easy to apply, and it is easy to dry. You don't have to worry about drying your nails. You don't need a UV lamp to dry it, it's an air dry. Nibiru Metal Marble Ink Nail Polish comes with 9 different colors with a metal marble effect on the nails. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys know where I got these products, and today they have a sale going on AliExpress. Just research Nibiru official on AliExpress. And this is what it looks like, guys. It's very pretty. You can see the metallic effect of the nail polish. And now I'm gonna add some rhinestone on my nail art. And next is I'm gonna apply top coat. So again, I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And this is the result, guys. I really love it. It is easy to use, it is easy to dry, and it has the metallic effect on the nails. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.